Welcome back. You're watching NewsX and I'm Shivani Singh. Now, the Supreme Court on Tuesday refused to urgently list a plea seeking enforcement of anti-cow slaughter laws ahead of Bakrid or Eid al-Adha, with the Chief Justice of India declining to treat the matter as urgent. Advocate Barun Kumar Sinha orally mentioned the matter for urgent listing. He said that the matter sought the implementation of the anti-cow slaughter laws and said that the urgency was that Bakrid falls on May 28th. I'm quoting here, "We are seeking a hearing so that if your lordships are persuaded, an interim order can be passed." He had submitted this. Now, the Chief Justice of India, Surya Kant, stated that only one day before, you remember, there is no urgency. Joining us live on the broadcast is my colleague Sambhav Sharma, who is giving us more details on this front. Sambhav, take us through the details of this case, please.
Well, absolutely. Here, this matter came before the bench of the Chief Justice of India during mentioning, where a petition was mentioned before the two-judge bench of the Supreme Court of Chief Justice of India, Surya Kant and Justice Bakrid. And this particular petition was seeking direction to the state governments to notify certain guidelines for regulating the slaughterhouse, one in each and every state in accordance with the law, and also seeking an implementation of the law imposing the complete ban on cow slaughter ahead of Bakrid festival, which is celebrated by Muslims. So this was the petition. Here the Chief Justice of India has said, why have you come now, few days before this festival, and in a way refused to hear this particular petition and said that there is no urgency as such so that we hear this particular petition. So the Supreme Court two-judge bench has refused to grant an urgent hearing to this particular case, and the two-judge bench has said, and I quote, "You remember this a day before." This is what the two-judge bench said, and there is no urgency. Thank you. And Advocate Barun Sinha has said in the court that day after tomorrow is Bakrid. This is a petition seeking implementation of the anti-cow slaughter law. But the two-judge bench of the Supreme Court refused to grant any interim relief, rather refused to entertain this petition. And now, the Supreme Court has made it clear that they are not granting any urgent hearing to this particular petition, where a law for anti-cow slaughter, what's going on in the state, our report was asked from the state government. Now, no urgent hearing in this particular case.
All right. Thank you so much, Sambhav, for all those details on that front. With that, viewers, in fact, ahead of the upcoming festival of Bakrid, security has been tightened in various major cities. Joining us live on the broadcast are my colleagues from various cities across the country. Shweta Verma is joining us from Mumbai.